Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So guys, from the title down below, you know it's our carnival time. Right now I'm just getting my hair done by my girl Danique, and the outcome was so cute and natural. Yeah, your girl is going to carnival. So just continue watching, like, comment and subscribe. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's a new day. I got my hair done. I will be showing you guys that. Well, you saw it already. What am I saying? Anyways, in my bonnet, I'm walking to the University of the Stressed Indies because I have to go pick up something. So you guys can come with me. We're supposed to reach a carnival starts already, but you know we're late bugs. And we make up the do, so you're gonna take about 2.5 hours to get that done. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, I totally forgot to tell you. Like gone, yeah. This is what happens every minute when you live in the ghetto. Alright, gone. I'm so tired of these situations. Like gone, this gone, this gone. And you know, you're going to take about a good, well, you're going to take the whole day because you now come back to 5, 6 o'clock. Well, JP said 5 o'clock, but it's basically 6, 7 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm still here walking up to Yui. Let me tell you about tired, let me tell you about exhausted. Like, my friend woke me up. She's like, girl, we're supposed to go to March. I'm like, you're really doing things for me that reach early. Like, we've been friends for what, 2 years? 3 years? Nope. You're not about to think that I'm going to be there early. So I went to collect my collect a bodysuit and I got a gem. Like, so I'm gonna go to just get ready because I said the girl that might get ready and something. I just saw one of my friends. She said she's not coming. So I saw a couple people. They said they are coming, but one of my friends, she's not coming. So go see how that turn out. She said she's going to watch the vlog. So big up Afai right there. So she murder. I'm not gonna say the dolly in her element. Not true. Be a batty on the road today. What's that? So guys, I am not a designer, but I cannot look regular schmegler on the road. So what I did, I got these gold chains and I put on the side so that it can be like a hoopy thing. And plus I had my bangles. So yeah. So I'll wipe off properly. So guys, I'm gonna do my makeup now. So I'm not in a mirror, so I have my iPad. So when you see me looking, it's my iPad I looking. Light gone, same way. I'm not gonna do nothing too much for my face because I'm about to make a sweat out. I'm showing you what I gonna wear and how I'm style it. So I might just do a little face and just put on the gem them and then start get ready. this is the final look. It's looking so cute. So I did my cousin's eyebrows and her lashes, guys. For the lashes, I use the hair glue. The hair glue is better for me because when I use the lash glue, I think it burns my eyes. I don't know what is in it that burns my eyes, so I just continue using the hair glue the whole time days, and it never come off. It never share me a party yet. So that me I work with. Also, you guys can go ahead and rate my makeup in the comment section down below, because right now we're getting ready for go on the road. Yeah. Grab it to me. So guys, it's so pretty. I'm excited to, be here.
crazy. What would how is that them? How is that? Hey, I know about don't you care what people talk oh, this is cool. AC in there too? What them there? Oh yeah, the first one. Yeah, my sister is from never see the guy. But him look good. He may look clean. Come here. No, today. My pussy.
Somebody say I love soca. I love soca. Now I want to read about soca love. You ready? Now we're playing. Ready. Somebody. I want to make you know this song. It's a new song. You understand? Look at the song now raising up. And the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes. And nothing can bring it up. I only want to get it. So let's do it. Here we go. We're going to roll. But I'm not going to that show. Before we get up. Automatica, fuck it, let's say I lose it. Whatever the party at my school was on. But since introduced the back now, they say I lose it. Everybody looking real sexy this morning. Let's go away right now. I lose it. Look at what goes to bed. Check. Oh, you see there? You see there? Fresh place in there. Where you at? Come on there. All right. I might even want you to give me time like a what this time. Something for you right there. I can feel it. in the air. Jamaica lovers do this. Show me your hand. 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 This is Exodus. Ready? What we doing? Show me. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. People jump up in the van. I tell a different thing they have in their hand. They jumping up and down, they don't give a damn. Carry it on like them is a hooligan. Everybody take a jump, come down. That's the way. That's the way. It's Carnival. Everybody take a jump, come down. That's the way.
After all of that, you not have to ask if me and my crew did hungry, because we never eat from money. Don't tell nobody so we never eat from money, because the energy was 100, so them would have never known. So we're at Popeyes.
Okay guys, so I'm now back home. You see me take off my lashes and everything. I'm not gonna take a shower. I may or may not be going out later on, may or may not. So let's see if the vlog ends here or later on.
Haha, look like so the vlog ends right here. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell to be notified when a girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.